Imagine this. You're driving across a massive bridge, maybe you're heading home after work or on a weekend trip with family. Suddenly, the unthinkable happens. Metal groans, the ground shakes beneath your tires, and in just seconds, the bridge begins to collapse. What would you do? Could you survive? In today's video, we'll walk through exactly how to survive a bridge collapse while driving, step by step, from the very first warning signs to what to do if your car plunges into water below. Stay with me until the end, because the right decision, made in seconds, could mean the difference between life and death. Most bridge collapses don't happen completely out of nowhere. There are usually warning signs. Look for unusual vibrations, loud popping or snapping sounds, sudden swaying, or chunks of concrete falling. If you ever feel the bridge shifting unnaturally beneath your car, treat it as a red flag. Stay calm, but get ready to act fast. If the bridge begins to collapse, your first instinct might be to slam the brakes. But here's the truth. Stopping in the middle of a collapsing bridge could trap you. Instead, if you're close enough, step on the gas and aim for solid ground. Even an extra few seconds could be your way out. But what if escape isn't possible? If traffic blocks you or the collapse is already underway, then it's time to prepare for impact. First, brace yourself. Keep both hands firmly on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock position. Stay seatbelted, yes, even if you're about to fall. Your seatbelt will prevent you from being thrown around during the violent drop. In many collapses, the bridge falls into a river or lake below. This is the most terrifying moment, but survival is possible if you act quickly and don't panic. The moment you hit water, stay calm. Do not try to open the door immediately. The pressure outside will trap it shut. Instead, roll down your window right away if you can. Electric windows usually work for a short time even after hitting water. If the window won't open, use a window breaking tool. Aim for the corners of the glass, not the center. Once the window is open, take a deep breath and get out before the car sinks fully. Remember, cars usually float for 30 to 60 seconds before going under. That's your escape window. If you can't get the window open, wait until the water fills the car almost completely. Only then will the pressure inside equalize with the pressure outside, allowing you to open the door. It's terrifying, but it works. When escaping, don't waste energy swimming against the current. Follow the flow, then angle upward toward the light. Once at the surface, move away from debris, floating vehicles, or oil slicks. Conserve your strength. Survival is about smart choices, not speed. If you're with others, prioritize getting yourself out first, then assist them. Children should be released from seatbelts before you escape. Always pull them through windows, never doors. Once you're out of the water, signal for help immediately. Move to higher ground and avoid staying near the collapsed bridge, as debris may continue to fall. Hypothermia, shock, and injuries are your next threats, so stay warm, stay visible, and wait for rescue teams. A bridge collapse may seem like a once-in-a-lifetime nightmare, but knowing what to do could turn the impossible into survivable. Remember, stay calm, act fast, and never give up until you're safe. If you found this survival guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world survival tips and dark explorations into the dangers that lurk in our everyday lives.